This is Ava. Ava is a particle that is always changing. Ava is currently ice. This is called a solid. Ava has been in the freezer for 10 days. As a solid, Ava does not have much energy, if any at all. She and her other particle friends are very condensed. They have very small movements but vibrate against each other. When a particle like Ava is a solid, there is not much distance between her and her other particle friends. Oh no, Ava is changing states. She is going from a solid to a liquid. This is called
melting.
Now, Ava is a liquid. As the ice cube melts, the particles spread out and become distanced. Their energy level grows and becomes faster, and so does their movement. They have more freedom and are moving around each other. Liquids come in many different colors, only Ava is clear. A human took Ava and her friends out of the freezer and left them on the counter in a cup. This is what happened. She has changed states. Her next stop will be the faucet of another house. Ava has been separated by her original particle buddies, but has made friends quickly. Hopefully, they will stay together. Ava has now been put in a pot along with her new friends, that are also liquids. The pot was put on a hot stove. The water is starting to, oh no, here we go again. This time, we're turning to a gas through
Evaporation.
Evaporation happens when liquids become very hot and release steam. The steam is known as vapor. Ava is also hyped up. She has a lot of energy now as a gas and has been released into the atmosphere and is buzzing around. Because she is a gas, she is very spread out and is far away from other molecules. When the human opens the window, Ava and some other particles fly out of the window. She will fly around and eventually float away. Her next stop is that field over there. This is where Ava is 3 days after she evaporated. She will rise to the clouds any minute. Oh my god, right when I thought that Ava couldn't get any hotter. Did you see that lightning? The lightning consisted of a superheated gas called plasma. When the lightning hit the earth, Ava was whisked away into the lightning. She will be back any second now from outer space, but that gives my colleague a chance to tell you what happened. Carrie? Plasma is the fourth state of matter. Particles end up in plasma through lightning. Plasma is also found in neon lights, but that is artificial. It is the most abundant state of matter in the universe. It is an electrical charge with a mixture of electrons and ions. Plasma is also the hottest state of matter, being 20,000 degrees Celsius. That is 36,032 degrees Fahrenheit. That's really hot. Because it is so hot, it will vaporize anything it touches. That's why when lightning touches down, there's a steam that rises. That's the vapor. Also, as plasma, the molecules have the most energy and activity level that a state of matter can have. The molecules are very spread out too. That's it for me today. See you next time with Facts in 60. Looks like Ava is now in the clouds. We will check back with her later. It has been 7 days since Ava became a gas again. When she became a gas, her energy level was still very high, but it reduced a little bit. Also, so did her activity level. The forecast calls for precipitation, so maybe Ava will come out of the sky today. Clouds are gas. When it rains, like right now, the gas in the clouds is changing back to a liquid. This is called
Condensation.
Ava's energy level and activity level were high as gas, but now she is starting to lose energy. She and her friends are starting to grow closer together. Soon she'll be in someone's house faucet again. A human has turned on the faucet to make ice cubes. Ava is in the freezer right now. Look, she's changing states. Ava is turning back to a solid. This is called
freezing.
As this happens, Ava and her new friends become compact and start to vibrate against each other. As you can see, Ava is an always changing molecule. This will happen just a billion more times. Maybe not that many, but a water molecule will never die. This is called change over time.